Do you have multiple team members in your business that use Wilcom products like Embroidery Studio, TrueSizer, or Estimator? Well, did you know you can view and manage all of those licenses and products in a single administrator view? Well, you can, and it's really simple. But why would you want to view and manage all those products in a single view? Well, your team is a team, and you want them to have access to the same price tables in Estimator and the thread charts in TrueSizer. But as a business owner, you can manage all of your licenses and subscriptions in one single concise view. And here's how you do it. First step is to decide who in your organization is going to be the admin or the owner of your Wilcom account. As an owner, this person is responsible for managing access to products, purchasing new licenses, updating thread charts and price tables, and of course, managing your subscription payments and a whole lot more. Once you've decided who is worthy of this prestigious position, and it is, get them to log in and invite your existing Wilcom products to join your newly formed Wilcom Teams organization. Log into your Wilcom profile and browse over to Users and select Add User. Enter their details like name and email address, and the user will receive an email to accept that invitation. Once they accept the invitation, the owner will get to see a summary of all the products and information this user will be bringing over to the new organization. This includes any licenses, subscriptions, price tables, and thread charts. Do that for every team member, and in no time at all, your owner will have a complete overview of all Wilcom products and assets. It really is that simple, and the benefits are huge. 1, you become a team. You work together. 2, you have shared access to thread charts and price tables for Wilcom Workspace apps. A single view to all your Wilcom licenses. Never lose a license again. Quickly and easily assign a license to any team member in your organization. So give it a go. Log in and invite your colleagues to join your Wilcom team today.